Breaking news, New Jersey drones are not aliens, as we all had hoped for. And also, not surprising whatsoever, the FAA authorized these drones, according to news from the Trump administration yesterday. While many people had believed that these were anti-gravitic technologies out of Area 51 from a Sean Ryan podcast, I had hoped that was true as well, proving Dr. Pays of the U.S. Navy correct. Unfortunately, that's not the case. It's also no surprise that these flights were authorized by the FAA because the Lance Instant Authorization System has no means of human intervention, which means that these people went on an application, filed a flight, and flew without anyone telling them otherwise. Isn't that newsworthy? So the New Jersey drones were drones and not a problem. Now you can go back to recording things in very blurry methodologies to make them look like alien technology or drones or aircraft that we have never seen before. I am wondering how the internet is going to take this now, knowing that the things flying over their backyards were allowed to fly there, and now we realize that there's next to no enforcement or ability for the FAA to see anything in the skies. For tomorrow's breaking news, we'll be talking about how chocolate chip muffins are actually made out of chocolate chips. I know, it's crazy. On that breaking news, that is going to do it for us here in the non-AI version of Ask Drone News Now. My name is Paul. This is Drone U HQ.